So now let us do something else. This wasn't supposed to be title. I'm going to provide leading for this, and the difference is when you have title and leading will be at the left side of the leftmost side, or the most left side, whatever, but leading will be to the left, and title will be kind of to the middle. So you'll understand in a second why I did that, because here for the title I'm going to give new row, and for the row I'm going to provide what is it going to be? Let us use to expand oh, sorry. First I have to give children widget, then here I'm going to give expanded widget, meaning that it's supposed to take up all of the space available in that particular row. And inside of this I'm going to give text. You can give new. The new keyword is optional, but I like to use it because the IDE helps me more when I use it. That's why. New, I'm going to give here widget dot old price, and I have a problem, but I know what's the problem. Product details old price. The problem here is that I'm supposed to do this child. Okay, so I'll just copy this, paste it here, and I'm going to give dot product details new price. And if I control save this, oh, this is so scary. Okay, but the problem is simple here. This is defined as int, and here I'm giving it as a string. So you're just supposed to do this. You're just supposed to do, let me just remove this. I'll do something like this and something like that, and I'll paste it. Oh, I may need to do this, and I'll close this stuff here. Okay, for that I'll just copy this, and I'll come down here, I'll paste it. Let us give some space. Delete here and just write product new price. Control save it. Ta-da! It's working as it was supposed to. Okay, so I guess that we're starting to get the design we want. What else can I do here? Let us give some style to this stuff. We can first off come here to this, and we'll provide your style, and here we can give text style. Let's start with the font. Okay, font weight, and I'm going to give a font weight dot bold. Control save it. As you see here, we'll have this bolded. I don't know if the size is good. If you want to, we can do something like this. Font size, and I'm going to give let's try 16.0. Okay, it's big enough, I guess. And for the second one, we are supposed to give style as well, and I'm going to give this First off, we can give, okay, text style, we can give it a style of, start with the color. Let's try to give it a gray, colors.gray, and here we can still give decoration. And how does it work? I guess is I'm forgetting something. Decoration dot, no. I'm trying to put a line into this. Text decoration. Oh. Okay, this can happen sometimes when you forget how, but since we are not machines, let's just go back to our front page. If I'm not mistaken, I have this on my products, and for the products we have here, what do you want? This is what we want, text decoration dot line through. This is what I'm trying to do. Oh, so I'm supposed to delete this text decoration line 2. This is what I want. Let's control save this. Okay, I hope it's visible enough. Let us put a dollar sign in front of this. So to do that, you'll use a backslash dollar sign. Control save it. Good enough. Let us come down here, do the same thing. If you don't use the dollar, the backslash is it's not going to work properly. It's going to give you an error. So when you're using, let us try first. You see you have this error here. Why is it so? Because the dollar sign is a predefined character, and if you want to use it in another way other than the predefined, you use the backslash. It's kind of to invalidate the symbol. Okay, so anyhow, um, okay, I will now do style, oops, style, text style, and I'll just need to do font. I will do font bold, and I'll do color, then I'll do colors dot, let us give a red for this one. Ta-da! And we're starting to have something nice. I still want to change something. Let me give it a white 70 so we can, oh, not here, not here. I'm supposed to give it here. Okay, let us give it a white 70 so we can get this kind of transparent background, if I may. Or if you wish, you can just give it white and cut the image off. But okay, I'll just leave this like that. So now, what next? Let us add something. We'll come over here. We have the container, and then down here I'm going to have a row, and inside of that row I'm going to have children, and inside of the children I'm going to have expanded, and inside of this expanded I'll have a child of material, button. On press I'll not define just now, and then down here, okay, we can define like the color for this. It's going to be white, of course. Color dot white, and we're going to define the text color, and we're going to give colors dot gray, and after this I will do child, and inside of here again I'm going to use a row, and inside of this row again I'm going to use children, again expanded, and here I'm going to give new text size. I always forget to do this, right? Child, okay. And here I'm going to do, I'll copy this, I'll paste it here, and instead of this text I'm going to give a new icons dot, I need the arrow pointing down, an arrow, and we have what we want here. Size, I will just reduce the elevation to I'll give it 0.2, something like that. Okay, size, I will just come over here. Let us comment so it will be easier for us to access this stuff later on. The first buttons, okay, and here I'm going to give the size button, and I do this equal just to catch my attention when I'm looking for it. Then let me copy this stuff here, and I will just paste it 3 times. Paste, paste. Oops, what did I do? And I have the code indented. If I control save this is what we have here, size, but here we want color, and here we want quantity. Okay, let me try to quantity. It's way too long of a word, so I'll just write this. Okay, for now I guess we can stop here, and afterwards we can do something like when I click on these I get an alert, so I can pick the size of the item, the color, the quantity of the item. Is it okay? Or if you still want a bonus, we can like do something out of this. Like we can try doing something more. If you think the video was too short, it took too long to upload, and I have to do something else. Let me try to make you guys happy by copying this stuff. And if you see, since you get the hang of it, it's kind of doing the same thing most of the time. At least at the design stage, it's kind of repetitive. That's why I just copy this stuff above and I paste and I do some modifications. And it's a good thing to do if you just want to have some time, I guess. Okay, here we can delete both of these. I'm not going to be needing it on this section, so let me just delete it. Here I'll write the second buttons. Okay, for this guy I'm going to give colors. Of course I need it red, and I'm going to give text color. Of course I need it white, and I'm going to give what else? For the child, instead of a row, let us do new new text by now. So now we have the buy button. Wow. But let us do something else here, where we're going to create a new icon button, and for the buttons we're going to give icons dot favorite. Let me see if I can do. Okay, I cannot. Okay, so I have to do icon, then icons dot, oh, what's the name of that icon? This one to add to cart, to make it possible for our users to add the item to the cart. And what else? What else should I put here? Okay, give him the option to like it. Oh, so I'll just do oops. So I'll just do this. I'll paste it. Favorite border. But we'll give the colors of colors dot red, and here we're going to do the same thing. Colors dot red. So here you have it. Our basic design is done. I'll try to leave the link on this particular video. What else? For the next video we'll create some alerts by clicking on those, and maybe keep on editing this section or this particular page. Just for testing purpose, you can go and open another image and it's working perfectly. So I guess it's fine. See you guys on the next one. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. See you on the next one.